everyone!
Hi guys, today we're going to be doing some fun DIYs using natural products that you probably have in your pantry, and if you don't, we got all of these ingredients at iherb.com. They actually sponsored this video, so we were able to get all of these awesome ingredients and
all in one
products,
place.
One place, shipped to us. It was amazing.
We didn't need to go to 7,000 different stores.
Right?
That was awesome.
And we're going to be using these ingredients to do a few DIYs for your skin and for your hair. Stay tuned. All right, Nora, the first one we're gonna do is a matcha green tea face mask. And I actually wrote some notes as to why these are gonna be super important. So it's gonna promote healthy glowing skin. It's gonna be a detox for your skin. It's gonna stimulate blood circulation. The matcha helps remove impurities from your pores, and honey has a natural antibacterial property, and cinnamon promotes blood circulation. So what we're going to do is 1 tablespoon of matcha powder. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of honey, a pinch of cinnamon, literally just like a sprinkle, and half a teaspoon of warm water.
Okay.
All right, so let's mix it all together.
So 1 tablespoon?
That's already measured.
Oh, awesome.
I got you, girl.
Yeah, right on top of that. And half a teaspoon of...
Half a teaspoon. Okay, and we're gonna do a sprinkle of cinnamon. Ready?
Yep.
There we go. And if you feel like it's still too thick of a consistency for you, you can add a little bit more water just to have that, like, it should feel like a paste, but pliable, you know, not like super, super thick.
Yeah.
And what's great about having matcha green tea powder is you can make smoothies with it, you can make face masks with it. You can use so many of these ingredients for like literally overall wellness. And what you're gonna do is you are going to apply this to your face, and you're gonna leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And when you're done, you're gonna be like, whoa, my face looks good.
I look so good.
Wow, what is happening?
Okay. Looks like seaweedy, the color.
It does look seaweedy.
Okay.
So this is the general color and consistency you should be looking for.
It's just all around face?
All around your face, wherever you wanna look amazing. So again, you're gonna apply this to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. And then rinse it off with warm water.
I do basically where I have large pores, like my nose, my cheeks, forehead.
Apply it with your hands, apply it with a spoon, apply it with a cotton swab, whatever you want. 20 minutes starts now. How does your skin feel?
Very soft.
Mine too. Super like nourished almost, right?
Yeah. And usually masks dry me out immediately after. This actually has my face feeling very moisturized. Is that weird?
Very cool. Okay, the next one is going to be a chia seed face mask.
Ani finally got on the chia seed bandwagon, by the way.
You guys, I've been obsessed with chia seeds lately. I've been putting it on yogurt. It's been like my go-to in the morning. So I'm like all
She finally arrived to the chia seed
I was
world.
like, we need to make a DIY about this. So chia seeds are really, really great for your skin. It's going to help with inflammation. It's going to help with any kind of acne, blemishes, redness. Chia seeds also retain water really, really well. So it's going to be super hydrating, especially if you have dry skin. It's totally going to nourish your skin. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine 1/3 of chia seeds with 1/3 cup of chia seeds and 1/3 cup of water. And we're going to do just a few drops of tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is also going to help with the inflammation. And it's a natural antibacterial effect. It's really, really great for your skin. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to refrigerate this for 15 minutes. So that's going to give the chia seeds a chance to like really absorb the
water.
moisture.
It actually, chia seeds, when you put it in like a liquid, any kind of liquid, it turns into kind of like a gelatin.
Yes, it does. So this is going to be really, really great for your skin. What I love about the website is that I was able to find all of these ingredients, you guys, so quickly. And honestly, so much cheaper than everywhere else. Like usually, like we would, whenever we're doing a DIY, we would run all over town. We would be like, okay, we have to go to this specific natural store, this store to find like this ingredient, that ingredient. And we were able to get everything at iHerb, and it was so much cheaper than, we were like, it's a fraction of the price of what we would usually pay for at stores. It's crazy.
Yeah, and it's the same brands. What we were paying for like 2 things, we basically bought like 8 out of.
Super impressed. So you can get, they have like over 30,000 natural products you can get, and you can just get it shipped to yourself. It's available in like 150 countries. So wherever you're watching, I'm sure it's available. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for 15 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, Nora, I am back with our chia seeds. So after being in the fridge for 15 minutes, it becomes really sturdy, like this, like almost like a paste. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna literally take it on your hands, and you're gonna, in a circular motion, just kind of apply it to your face.
This is like an exfoliating mask?
It's an exfoliating mask, but also super nourishing.
Got it.
Right? And it's okay if it's in like different chunks on your face. It's totally fine. You're just gonna apply it, and you're also gonna leave this one on for about 15 minutes. So this is gonna be a really thick mask.
This looks like the magnetic mask.
Right?
Right.
Okay, we're gonna finish getting this on our face and let it do its magic. So one note for the chia seed one is I would not rinse this in the sink. I would say just take a damp cloth or a damp towel, and you can literally just wipe it off.
You don't want to like clog
off
your sink and shower.
But my skin does feel soft.
It does feel soft. I like today's scrubs.
Right?
Or not scrubs, face masks, because they feel so soft.
I'm just trying to make you look fabulous here.
No, really, like I usually feel like they're drying,
yeah.
But this one, all the 3 that we've made today are like super soft. Like I don't feel the need to put moisturizer on. Usually
and again,
I do.
You guys, these are all natural ingredients that you should have in your pantry, or you probably already do. And if you don't, you could totally buy them from iHerb.com. Okay, next we're gonna use wheatgrass powder. This is a superfood, so it's really great for your skin. It's an antioxidant. It's gonna detox your skin. We're gonna add some honey to it, which is already a natural antibacterial effect. It helps inflammation. So again, another amazing superfood.
What's awesome about all of these products is that it's a superfood internally and externally.
Yeah.
So like chia seeds. I eat chia seeds on a daily basis.
So do I now.
Wheatgrass is really good. Wheatgrass is really good for you. So these are all things that you literally should have in your pantry.
Exactly.
Because they enhance your well-being, I want to say.
Inside and outside.
Yeah.
So we have 1 teaspoon of wheatgrass, and we're gonna add about 1.5 teaspoons of honey. And we're just gonna mix this really well, and if we feel like we need a little bit more honey, because the honey does actually just kind of like stick, you can just add a little bit more until you feel like it's a paste that can be consistent enough to apply to your face as a mask. And again, we're gonna leave this mask on our face for 20 minutes. Okay, a little bit more honey. There we go. Okay, so now it's going to be a really similar consistency to the first one that we made with the matcha, and we're going to apply this to our face as well. Ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Just going to apply it directly with the spoon. This one definitely feels a little bit thicker, right?
Mm-hmm. It's pastier.
Pastier. Tie your hair, everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna apply this all over our face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. How does your skin feel?
It feels amazing.
My skin feels very clean.
You know what's funny? I feel like my pores are like
smaller.
Yeah.
I feel like it just took stuff out of impurities out of my skin.
It cleaned out my pores. I think it was the honey. What do you think?
I think it was the powder.
Well, the powder mixed with the honey. Yeah.
Okay, Nora, the next one is going to involve coconut oil and
our hair.
For our hair. So if you want a nourishing hair mask, we're going to combine a little bit of coconut oil with a little bit of avocado oil. If you want to promote hair growth, you can also add a little bit of castor oil to it. And what we're going to do is we're going to combine these ingredients, and we are going to literally let it soak into our hair and rinse it out. I'm gonna do this at home so I can show you guys.
What I like
exactly
to do
what
with
to
this,
do.
it's kind of messy, but I actually leave it on overnight. I just put a plastic bag over my head, and it really like
Over
really
your hair, not your head.
I mean, over my hair. I mean, I wouldn't be here the next day if it was over my head. But the next day, my hair is so soft, and you know mine is so dry usually.
I just don't have the patience for it. So what I do is I will put it on my hair about half an hour before I know I'm going to go into the shower, and I'll put a shower cap on, and I'll just like walk around, do whatever else I need to do.
Yeah.
And then I will rinse it off my hair.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so we are going to combine 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Sometimes coconut oil comes in solid form, so if it does, just go ahead and heat until melted. And 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. And this is literally just gonna be a moisturizing version, and you can make as much as you need for however long your hair is. And I actually have bonus multiple versions of this depending on your hair needs. So this is gonna be a moisturizing one, okay? I have notes for everyone. If you want to add shine to your hair, you can add 1 egg and whisk it. If you want a deeper conditioner, you can add 2 tablespoons of shea butter. Shea butter is so hard to find. So I feel like it's like, thank God we found it. 2 tablespoons of shea butter, and you can also add 1 tablespoon of argan oil, which we have right over here as well. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of argan oil, and I'm gonna literally put all of this in my hair, and I'm gonna have it be this super nourishing, moisturizing hair mask. Deep conditioning, moisturizing. And again, it doesn't matter which one you decide to go with if you just leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before you go into the shower. It's going to be really, really helpful.
Honestly, these are the best hair masks.
They really are.
The coconut oil, avocado oil ones.
Yeah.
I feel like it's the only one that actually works on my hair, actually.
And it's also really good for dry scalp. So if it's not even just like you want to nourish your hair, if you have dry scalp, it's going to really, really help nourish that as well. So I'm going to apply this at home. I put the treatment in my hair, and I left it in for 20 minutes, and I styled it, and it's super soft now.
Oh my God, my skin feels so good.
Right? Now you have
Satisfied customer.
now you have super soft skin, you have great nourished hair, and if you didn't already have them in your pantry, you totally know where to get them now. Hope you guys enjoy this DIY. We'll see you next time.
See you.